Welcome to RMA Exam Tips and Tricks with Shamsi, Part 1. In this presentation, I'll be sharing smart tips and tricks for you so that you can easily pass your RMA exam in one go. In the RMA exam, there will be the 220 questions and the time will be 120 minutes. Major question will come from the real-time assessment and your common sense, and the rest of the sections included like the insurance, vital signs, medical terminology, then pharmacology, administrative duties, clinical procedure and patient care, infections control and safety, and so on. In medical terminology, you will get the both suffix and the prefix. So here I gave some common suffix and prefix, but my tips are for remember the suffix and prefix is to break the word into parts. Like the tachycardia is a word, tachy means fast and cardia means heart, so it means the fast heart rate. There is a possibility to get the questions in RMA on medical instruments. To quick remember trick is you have to remember the function of the instrument so that when you will see the image you will match the function and you can give the right answer. In the RMA exam, you will get number of questions on the vitals because vitals is very much important for this exam. I put a very tricky equation which is TPRBPSP02. It represents the temperature, pulse, respiration, blood pressure, oxygen saturations, and so on. And you will definitely need to study the medical asepsis and to remember one thing, that in the medical asepsis mean the cleaning, the medical cleaning, and this. So that is all for the part 1. I'll be back very shortly with the part 2 of the rest of the questions that I shown in the pie chart. So till then, if you have any query or if you have any comment, concern, please don't hesitate to write in the comment box. I'll be there and I'm gonna help you. But before that, please subscribe my channel and keep watching and stay with Live with Shams.